Hey, it's Becky. It's gorgeous out today. I'm just getting back from a walk, but I needed to let you know I just can't do it. I can't be fake and phony with you. So I wanted to be a little bit transparent about the declutter workshop that I sent you an email on if you're on my list, or that's what this is going to be about. I met Sarah from the Early Bird Mom about a year ago, and tomorrow she is hosting a free workshop on declutter. And lights are off in here, I'm all alone, but I wanted to show you that life is not always perfect. Now, if I wait until my hair is perfect and my makeup's done in order to talk with you, then that would mean that I never get to talk with you, because I'm never always put together unless I'm blessed to go on a date with my husband. But I wanted to show you that, in fact, I do need the declutter class, because while I do have some nice, neat bookshelves in my house, I also have areas of just clutter everywhere. I have these books. Come check out this. This is where we typically do homeschooling, but right now it's an arrow making station because my husband just bought arrow making kits for the boys because they're all going to make their own custom arrows. So right now this doesn't have a home. Neither does this stack of books that I'm working on, or my stack of, wow, I haven't figured out what to do with those pieces of paper. Oh wait, you're gonna love this. I'm working on my pantry because we had an inspector come by today. So everything that was on the floor in my pantry is still in my hallway. My pantry isn't bad because my 12-year-old was in there a couple days ago. And now look at my counter in my kitchen. This is my area that if I don't know what to do with it, it goes right here on my counter. And if that's not bad enough, like if I'm having you over for coffee, I'll take this clutter right here and I'll come not to the pantry, but to this other little cabinet, and I'll just stuff it in this closet because that's what you do with clutter in my house. So when I was doing the homemaker series, I was getting dozens of emails from moms that are, it turns out I'm not the only one that struggles with organization or putting our houses together or just having a sense of order. And it's why I shared Sarah's declutter class, or the book, the step-by-step decluttering. So anyway, in the links below, I'm going to share a link to a workshop. I just got a message from Sarah that she is doing a free workshop tomorrow. And it's basically a workshop about if you're embarrassed to have people over at your house because there's clutter everywhere, or you have those amazing things that you don't want to get rid of, you can still declutter type workshop. I am so excited. But full disclosure, I am a business partner with Sarah. Anytime you purchase anything from Sarah, I do earn a few pennies from each of those sales because we work together behind the scenes, trying to bring you the best resources possible. Wow, I'm looking at myself right now and I just look phantasmagoric. Let's look out the window instead. So anyway, Sarah is putting on this workshop tomorrow that it will be power-packed with things that you can apply to your life right now. And I'm going to be there because I've already shown you the behind the scenes. My house needs it. Now, I have a lot of areas that are under control in my house, but I have those problem areas that I just can't figure out and I need some help. So I am going to be on that workshop. I'm confident. Now, I haven't been a part of this workshop before. Sarah did not disclose exactly what she's going to go through, but I can guess that it's going to be a fantastic workshop. It's going to have some amazing tips on how to organize things or how to rethink our mindset. And then I'm confident at the end there will be something to purchase at the end. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's going to be a book. I don't know if it's going to be a cat. I don't know if it's going to be a new car. But because I know Sarah, I can tell you that whatever it is will be worth taking a look at. And if you can't swing it, that's okay. There will be enough value in that workshop that you and I can tackle our clutter together. And anyway, I just wanted to let you know that I'm here. I'm always going to be real with you. I decided to stop waiting for the perfect moments to communicate with you this way via video. I like face-to-face chit-chatting. And as a homeschool mom, I don't get a lot of that. Well, I get a lot of face-to-face with my kids, and my husband works from home, so I get a lot of face-to-face time with him as well, but I don't get a lot of girl time. So forgive the tiredness. I just went for a walk. Yay me. I had learned in that healthy moving class in the homemaker bundle that when you have a goal, you just move toward it. And so I am moving toward being more healthy. I'm moving toward talking with you and becoming better friends online, because truly I do really, really care about you, and I really want to add value into your life. Sometimes it'll cost a few pennies. Most of the time, most of what I share is free, or my husband thinks I'm crazy because I give it away, like on my Patreon page. But I can't help it. I can't help that I have a heart for you, that I want you to succeed as a wife, as a mom, as a homemaker, as a homeschooler. And I have enough gray hair. See that? I have enough gray hair that I've got lots of mistakes that you don't need to repeat. So just learn from me and then make new mistakes of your own. So anyway, click on that link. Get in the free workshop with me. Let's check it out together, and let's see how we can encourage one another to get our houses more in order. If your house is clean, fantastic. Mine's not. It's a mess. And we can whip it together and make it show worthy in half an hour when I throw everybody's hands on it. But I want more than that. I want order. So anyway, click on the link, join the workshop tomorrow with me, and expect real from me. Have a great day. Bye.